You are welcome to today's video's lesson with Distinction Medic. And in the course of today's video's lesson, I will be solving some aspects in chemistry of which you can come across in any examination you are sitting for, be it's WAEC or NECO or DCE or jamb or post UTME. Do well toward this particular videos lesson until the end. Okay, so before we start this one videos lesson, if you haven't subscribed yet to the channel community, please consider subscribing to the channel, like this video, share and comment. Let's jump right into the work. Now we have the bond formed between two elements with electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2 and 1s2, 2s2, 2p4 is dash. It should be noted that this particular question is from a great topic in chemistry which is named to be chemical combination. To be specific, is based on chemical bonding. Okay, the aspect of chemical combination is simply how do elements interact to become a compound. That's simply it. You can go watch other videos on my YouTube channel. I've made it so easy and understanding. Okay, and the other videos in my YouTube channel is very explicit. Okay, go and watch it for a detailed explanation on chemical bonding. Okay, now today I'll expatiate better on it. Okay, now let's start. Now will I know that which element is this particular one? I'm going to add these upper numbers, this index. I'm going to add it. So 2 plus 2 is 4, plus 6 is 10, plus 2 is 12. So the element with the atomic number of 12 is magnesium. Okay, magnesium is with the atomic number of 12. That should be noted. Now for this 1s2, 2s2, 2p4, so 2 plus 2 is going to give 4, plus 4 is going to be 8. So element with the atomic number of 8 is known to be oxygen. That should be noted. Okay, that should be noted. Now they say, what is the bond formed between two elements with electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2 and so on. Okay, now it should be noted here that magnesium is a metal. Okay, magnesium is a metal. That should be there. While for oxygen is a non-metal, and magnesium is having the electronic configuration of 282 with the electronic cloud of magnesium is having 2 electrons in the inner shell and another 8 electron and also another 2 electron in the outermost shell. You can see this is the electronic cloud for magnesium. Why this is the electronic configuration. Okay, that should be it. For oxygen you have 2 6. You can see with the electronic cloud of 2 electron in the innermost shell, while 6 electron in the outermost shell. That should be noted. Okay, that should be noted. Now they are asking us to find the bond that is binding them. What is the bond that is in between magnesium and oxygen to become a compound? What is that bond that is binding them together? Okay, now we have our option. We have metallic bonding, we have co-ionic bonding, we have covalent bonding, and also we have ionic bonding. So the correct answer for this is ionic bonding. The bond between, magnesium is a metal while oxygen is a non-metal. Now the bond between metals and non-metals is known to be ionic bonding. Okay, Ionic bonding is also known to be electrovalence bonds. Okay. Now the simple definition of ionic bonding or electrovalent bond is simply electrovalent bond or ionic bonding is the type of bond that exists between metals and non-metals by the transfer of electron. Okay, by the transfer of electron. That should be noted. Okay. So magnesium is a metal. A metal atom in an ionic bond, a metal atom is going to transfer an electron, the remains of an electron in its outermost shell. Okay. Now it's going to transfer it to a non-metal atom. Okay. By attaining what is called the octet configuration or the octet rule. It should be noted that the aim of all elements is to obey what is called octet configuration. They want to become saturated. All elements want to become saturated. They don't want to be reactive. Okay. Now, it should be noted that octet rule is the ability of an element to obey, to complete both innermost shell and the outermost shell. And an example of an element which is exhibiting octet rule is simply neon. Neon is exhibiting octet rule or octet configuration because neon is a saturated element. Neon cannot react with any element. Okay, you can't see neon reacting with other elements, and neon is with the electronic configuration of 2,8. You can see it has become saturated. All the elements that is in group 8 or group 0 are saturated. They are not reactive. That should be noted. Okay, that should be noted. Now, the aim of these two elements is to become saturated. So magnesium is with the electronic configuration of 2,8, while oxygen is with electronic configuration of 2,6. So magnesium is going to transfer 2 electrons from its outermost shell or the valence shell to this oxygen. Okay, now magnesium is going to be 2,8. So it has become saturated, while oxygen is going to be 2,8 also. The two are now saturated. They have now obey what is called the octet rule or octet configuration. That should be noted. Okay. Now, when magnesium and oxygen, magnesium plus oxygen is going to give magnesium oxide. You can see magnesium oxide. It's simply easy and understandable. Okay, magnesium oxide. The compound form is magnesium oxide. Now, what the bond that is binding them is simply electrovalent bond or ionic bond, which is option D. Okay. An ionic bond is bond that exists between metals and non-metals. Magnesium is a metal, while oxygen is a non-metal. It's the bond that exists between metals and non-metals by the transferring of electron. Okay, that should be noted. That should be noted. Okay, I think it's easy. Okay, now for option C, we have covalent bond. Covalent bond is not the answer because covalent bond is a bond that exists between only non-metals. Okay, you can see it differs from what is called the ionic bonding. Ionic bonding is a bond that exists between metals and non-metals. For covalent is the bond that exists between non-metals only. Okay, now for co-ionic bond is a bond that involves the formation of new compounds. Okay, it involves the formation of new compounds. Like ammonia, we form ammonium ion. Okay, it involves the formation of new compound. Now for metallic bond is the bond that exists between only metal. Okay, that should be it. Okay, I think this particular video lesson is quite interesting. Okay, if you like this video lesson, please do well to like this video lesson, like, subscribe and share, and also comment this video lesson. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.